Welcome to the deep dive.
Great to be here.
Today, we're zeroing in on something pretty interesting. Web design, specifically for small businesses.
Right, and how companies, well, like this one we looked at, Flowline Design, are bringing AI into the mix. It's quite the shift.
Exactly. So our mission today is to really unpack their main services and figure out what this AI integration genuinely means for, your digital presence.
Let's dig in.
So Flowline Design, right? They start with what you'd expect, the fundamentals of good web design.
Yeah, the essentials.
We're talking custom designs tailored to your business needs. That authenticity piece, it still matters a lot, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Standing out is crucial. And then they hit responsive layout.
Which is just non-negotiable now, making sure it looks good everywhere, phone, tablet, desktop.
And SEO optimization, being findable.
Right, so your site isn't just a pretty face. People can actually, find it through search engines.
These aren't just features. They're really the bedrock, the foundation for any online success today.
But then, and this is where I think it gets really interesting, they connect these core things to something, well, much more cutting edge.
Exactly. They don't just stop at building a standard website. They bring in these AI solutions.
AI solutions, okay.
And they frame it as tools designed to really transform your business operations.
Okay, so moving beyond just having a website to having something smarter.
Kind of, yeah. An intelligent digital asset rather than just a static page.
That sounds like a big leap.
Yeah.
So when they talk AI solutions, what are we actually talking about? What specific problems are these tools tackling for a small business owner?
Good question. Are they just automating boring tasks or doing something more creative?
Yeah, exactly. Is it replacing human effort or just augmenting it?
Well, it seems like a bit of both, which is maybe why it's effective. They list 3 specific AI tools that caught my eye.
Okay, let's hear them.
First, there's something called AI design feedback. The idea is you upload a design.
Like a mock-up or something.
Yeah, exactly. And the AI gives you instant feedback, suggestions based on, user experience, best practices, layout, contrast, things like that.
So instead of guessing or paying a consultant, loads.
You get instant data-driven pointers. Think about the time saved just agonizing over, font choices or button placement.
Okay, that's pretty tangible. What's next?
Second, an SEO analyzer. It does automated analysis of your site.
More than just keywords.
Oh, yeah. It gives specific recommendations to improve your search rankings, looking at competitors, current trends, taking some of the guesswork out of SEO.
Right, making it more proactive. And the third one?
The AI content generator. This one sounds powerful.
Generating text, like blog posts.
Website copy, product descriptions, marketing content. But the claim is it's optimized to convert. It uses analytics to generate content that's supposed to really resonate with your audience.
Wow, okay. Content that performs, not just filled space.
That's the idea.
So these AI tools, they sound impressive. But let's bring it back to you, the listener. Maybe you run a small business, you're thinking about a website.
Right.
How do these specific AI things, the design feedback, the SEO analysis, the content generation, how do they actually change the game? What's the real impact on your process, your competitive edge?
Well, I think the big picture here is about access. It's kind of democratizing high-level web capabilities. Meaning, maybe in the past, you as a small business couldn't afford top-tier design consultancy or intensive SEO work or a professional copywriter for everything.
Right, budget constraints are real.
Exactly. But these AI tools offer a shortcut. They give you a way to achieve a higher level of polish, visibility, and content quality, potentially much more affordably.
This levels the playing field a bit against bigger players.
That seems to be the promise. And it frees up your time and maybe budget from some of those repetitive or highly specialized tasks.
Allowing you to focus elsewhere, like customer service or strategy.
Precisely. It shifts the focus from just doing the basics to using these tools for a strategic advantage. Less about pure efficiency, more about effectiveness.
So Flowline Design seems to be showing this dual approach then. You need the solid custom web foundations.
Absolutely essential.
But then you layer on these smart AI tools to enhance it. It's not choosing one or the other.
Exactly right. It's the combination that's powerful.
Which really leads to a final thought, doesn't it?
I think so. It makes you wonder.
Yeah, for you listening. How might this growing availability of integrated AI, like for design checks or content writing, how might it fundamentally change how you, as a small business, think about building your online presence?
And maybe even change how you balance, human creativity and insight with this kind of automated efficiency going forward. It's definitely something to keep an eye on.
A fascinating space, for sure. That's all we have time for on this deep dive.
Thanks for tuning in.